Project time management. The importance of project schedule. Many information technology projects are failure in terms of meeting scope, time, and cost projection. Managers often cite delivering project on time as one of their biggest challenges and the main cause of conflict. Project time management, simply divided, involves and process required to ensure timely completion of the project. There are 6 main processes involved in project time management. 1. Defining activities. 2. Sequencing of activities. 3. Estimating activity. 4. Estimating the duration of the activity. 5. Develop a schedule. 6. Controlling the schedule. Defining activities. Defining activities. The purpose of defining the activities is to ensure that the project team has a complete understanding of all the work they have to do as part of the scope of the project, so that they can start scheduling the job. For example, an item where VBS produces study reports. VBS is often dissected more as a project team member in some determine the activities needed to do the job, such as assignment report studies. Sequencing activities. After defining project activities, the next step in project time management is sequencing them or determining their dependencies. Dependencies. Dependencies or relationship relate to the sequencing of project activity or task. Determining the relationship or dependencies between activities has a significant impact on developing and managing a project schedule. There are mandatory dependencies are inherent in the nature of the work being performed on a project. Discretionary dependencies are defined by the project team, and external dependencies involve relationship between project and non-project activities. Network diagrams. Network diagrams are preferred technique for showing activity sequencing. A network diagram is a schematic display of the logical relationship among or sequencing of project activities. Some people refer to network diagram as project schedule network diagram or PERT chart. Estimate activity results. Before you can estimate the duration for its activity, you must have a good idea of the quantity and type of results, such as people, equipment, and material that will be assigned to each activity. Estimate activity results. The nature of the project and the organization will affect results estimating. Expert judgment and analysis of alternative estimating data and project management software are tools available to assist in result estimate. The main output of the result estimating process include a list of activity results requirements, a results breakdown structure, and project document update. Estimate activity duration. After working with key stakeholders to define activities, determine their dependencies, and estimate their results, the next process in project time management is to estimate the duration of activities. It is important to note that duration includes the accurate amount of time worked on an activity plus elapsed time. The result assignment to a task will also affect the duration estimate. Estimate activity duration. The output of activity duration estimate include activity duration, estimate, and project document update. Duration estimates are often provided as a discrete number such as 4 weeks or as a range such as 3 or 5 weeks or as a 3-point estimate. Develop the schedule. Schedule developed use the result of all the preceding process time management process to determine the start and end dates of the project. There are often several iterations of all the project time management process before the project schedule is finalized. The ultimate goal for developing the schedule is to create a realistic project schedule that provides a basis for monitoring project progress for the time dimension of the project. Several tools and techniques assist in schedule development. 1. Gantt chart is a common tool for displaying project schedule information. 2. Critical path analysis. Analysis is a very important tool for developing and controlling project schedule. And 3. Critical chain. Scheduling is a technique that focuses on limited results when creating a project schedule. Gantt chart. Gantt chart provides a standard format for displaying project schedule information by listing project activities and their corresponding start and finish date in a calendar format. Gantt charts are sometimes referred to as bar charts since the activity start and end dates are shown as horizontal bars. Critical path method. Critical path method, also called critical path analysis, is a network diagram technique used to predict total project duration. This important tool will help you combat project schedule overruns. Critical chain scheduling. Critical chain scheduling is a method of scheduling that considers limited resources when creating a project schedule and includes buffer to protect the project's completion date. An important concept in critical chain scheduling is the availability of scarce resources. Some projects cannot be done unless the particular resource is available to work one or several tasks. Critical chain scheduling acknowledges that you must either delay one of those tasks until the equipment is available or find another piece of equipment in order to meet the schedule. Controlling the schedule. The final process in project time management is controlling the schedule. Controlling the schedule. Like scope control, schedule control is a portion of the integrated chain control process under project integration management. The goal of schedule control is to know the status of the schedule, influence the factors that cause schedule change, determine that the schedule was changed, and management change the day occur. The main input to schedule control are the project management plan, project schedule, work performance data, and organizational process asset. The main output of schedule control include work performance measurement, organizational process asset update, such as lesson learned reports related to schedule control, change requests, project management plan update, and project document.